developers. In this video, we will learn about object methods in JavaScript. So object methods allows objects to perform actions and manipulate their own data. There are commonly used object methods which are Object.keys, Object.values, Object.entries, Object.assign, Object.freeze, Object.seal. So coming to Object.keys, this method returns an array of objects property names. So all the keys will be returned in an array using Object.keys method. And in Object.values, it returns an array of object properties values. In Object.keys, it returns object property names, but in Object.values, it will return property values. Similarly, we have Object.entries method. So it will returns an array of key value pairs for each property in the object. And we have Object.assign method. It copies properties from one or more source objects to a target object. In Object.freeze method, it prevents any modification to an object, making it immutable. And in 6th point, we have Object.seal method. So what it will do, it prevents adding or removing properties, but allows modifications of existing properties. So all these object methods, we will discuss it in the later videos one by one.